Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Today I just want to pop on for a quick show and tell about stencils. Now obviously we can all buy stencils and we've probably all got a stash of them. But what if you want a quick fix and you haven't got exactly what you need? So I'm just going to show you how you can quickly make a stencil, and you've probably all done this when you were a child. It's the folding paper technique, and as you can see, I mean, these will only be temporary, but they work equally as well as anything you buy. I'm just doing it on plain paper here, but if you had an image you wanted to just put some regular marks on or irregular marks like this one. And then sometimes I've gone through my stencils and I haven't quite got what I want to make a mark. As I say, this won't be a permanent fix, but to help you with an image, it's a quick fix. So just to remind you, any piece of paper, and all I've done with these is just fold. You can fold as many times as you like, but for the dotty one, for instance, I've just got my punch and gone over it in a random way. And if you want to get further in, just keep bending the paper. Oh. I'm sure we can use those bits for something else. Or you can just rip just any shape. Or you could draw a shape. And then cut out. And there we are. An instant stencil. And I've been very quick with this. with a bit more thought, it would look rather lovely. So there we are, instant stencils. When you haven't got time to nip out to the shops and you're in the middle of a project, just make your own. The other thing I've used is if you have a die cut machine, then obviously you end up with this negative space, which gives you amazing shapes, doesn't it? Sort of put some more ink on there. And if you've made these in card, then they will last a bit longer. Beautiful. So go forth and make stencils, I say. And join me again for another crafty make. And if you enjoyed this today, press the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, everyone.